Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make these dangling flower earrings. For the beads, you're gonna need some flower ones, seed beads, and leaf-shaped beads. You will also need head pins, eye pins, jump rings, chains, and earring hooks. For tools, I used my tweezers, pliers, and jump ring opener. You're gonna start by taking a head pin and looping around 3 seed beads into it, and then the flower bead. Use your pliers to create a hook with the other end of the pin. The end result should look something like this. Repeat that with the second flower bead. You'll have 2 flower charms with eye hooks on top. This time, take an eye pin, and using that eye pin, repeat the same steps to create another flower charm with 2 hooks on both sides. Now open the hook on the side with the seed beads. Loop your chain around the middle. You're gonna end up with a jellyfish looking charm. Now open the jump ring and loop a seed bead into it. This is gonna be the charm at the bottom of the chains. Alternatively, you can use drop beads, but I just don't have any with me. Loop the bead charms through the 2 ends of the chains. And now, your bottom charm is complete. You're gonna end up with 3 flower charms. To make the leaves, loop a leaf bead through a jump ring. And on the same jump ring, add the shorter chain and the flower charm with the chains on it. This is gonna be the bottom half of the earring. Next, we'll be making the top half of the earring. Take a jump ring and loop one of the flower charms on it, a leaf bead, and the earring hook. Attach all of that to the chain. You should end up with something that looks like this, where the top half of the earring is now connected to the bottom half that we made earlier. Open up the last flower charm and attach it to the center of the top chain. And there you have it. There's honestly a lot of ways you can customize this. You could add a lot more flowers, but I hope this helps you figure out how to get started with it. Thank you for watching.